Gaze back the rope and raising in hand. Jump, squeak out of the gate. Mounted Star from the outside, putting up El Negro. And passing the winning post. El Negro takes the lead by line, followed by Inherent. Around the outside now, Senorita. In between horses is Mounted Star. Then moving up by the wheels, Hoy Macari. Around the outside now is Sweet Carla. And into the back they travel. El Negro swinging away by some 7 lengths now, followed by Inherent. Monde Star is running entered. Hoy Makati moving up on the outside to take fourth down in FIPA is Senorita. Here comes Sweet Carla running by the wheel is Alabuzab. Then followed by Grand Nexus. Entry number 6, Red Soldier, while Marnelli is running in the tail of the field. Inside the last 600, El Negro leading by some 5. Here comes Inherent, try to get closer in second. Hoy Makati is running in third, moving up by the wheel, Zala Buzab. As they swing for home, El Negro leading by only half a length. Inherent moving up on the outside. It's now Inherent and Hoy Makati threatening danger on the outside. Inherent. Hoy Makati moves up, and finally Hoy Makati. Inherent 6, Red Soldier, Salabuzab, and Marnelli.